Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Instacart shopper card. So first thing you need to do is apply for your Instacart shopper card, and then you can see that you can get all of these benefits. So simply get your card, and then you can see this is how your card is going to look like. So to activate your Instacart, what you need to do is just call Chase credit card customer service. This is their number, but it depends on your location. So Google, just search on Google Chase Mastercard activation customer number, and then simply call the number that you are seeing. And once you call them, simply explain them that you want to activate your card, and they will tell you all the instruction you need to follow, and then you can activate your Instacart shopper card. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.